Good morning, garden family. Happy gardening. We're in peak. It's hot outside, dog days of summer. So I decided to make this video to ask a question to all the gardeners. What do you do on those days that it's just too hot to go outside in the mornings, or you have to wait till the late evenings to go outside? Me, I decided to make some soap today. I have 2 pots going. This one is boiling over. What are some of the things that you do when it's too hot to go outside? What are some of your hobbies? Is it preserving your harvest? Making bread, knitting, crocheting, sewing? What are some other interests that you have when you can't get outside or it's too hot to get outside? Granted, I've already been out this morning checking on my chickens and doing some other things. But as that sun started to come up, I came in. So with that being said, put in the comment section, what are some of the things you do when it's just too hot to go outside? One of my things today is soap making. Keep gardening and stay cool.